How to turn off join in Roblox. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Roblox application. Now, from your bottom navigation bar in your right hand side, there is a more button. Tap on it, scroll down and then go to settings. After that, go to privacy and content maturity. Go to visibility and private servers. After that, go to visibility and then make sure you have selected no one. If it is selected everyone or any other, make sure you select it to no one and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.